Hey guys, Steve here with the Scrollsaw Workshop. Tonight I published a set of patterns which are all of these high resolution flower graphics that you can cut out on your scroll saw. Now these are about 7 inches tall. You simply apply the pattern to your MDF or your plywood and you cut them out. To do this, I used CorelDRAW, but there's a free program named Inkscape that will do the same thing, and I'm going to show you how to do this so you can add your own graphics to your alphabet. Now, you want to make sure that the graphic you select is a high resolution graphic. If it's too low of res, then the graphic will look pixelated when you print it out. To get this program that I'm going to use, you want to go to www.inkscape.org. Download and install the program. They have it for Mac and PC, so you'll be able to get it for either one of those. Once you get it downloaded and installed, we're going to take the image and put it inside of one of the alphabet characters. So let's start on that right now. I'm going to, before I start anything else, I'm going to import the graphic that we want to use. So we're going to go to File, Import. And in this case, I've got a set of flowers here that I took a picture of at the park. And you can see this is a very large picture because this is an 8.5 by 11 inch sheet of paper, and it's a very high resolution graphic. So I'm going to grab this handle up here and size it down to where it's approximately the height of a page. And we'll put it up here out of the way for a second. Then I'm going to go over to my text selector. I'm going to click on it. I'm going to select a very bold font. In this case, I'm going to use Arial Bold, but any font will work that you can cut out on your scroll saw. And I've set the size of the font to 710, which makes it approximately 7 inches tall. I'm going to click on the screen, and I'm going to type in the letter that I want to use. In this case, I think we'll use O. Now what I can do is I can take this character, put it anywhere in this picture, and set a mask up to where the picture just shows through where the letter is. To make this easier to do, I'm going to change the outline color of the graphic. I'm going to change it to a bright red. So I'm going to right click down here on the color toolbar and hit Set Stroke. And if we zoom in here real close, you'll see that now the stroke is red. The other thing that makes it easier to do is to set the fill to transparent. Transparent is down here on the very left, and if we left click, now we have a transparent O with a red outline. We can now take this character and move it around until we find an area of the photograph that we want to mask it into. So we'll get a fairly dense part of the picture right here. So we're setting it right here. Now I'm going to select all of these together by dragging my mouse around it. Now they're both selected. I'm going to go up to Object and Clip and Set. And you can see now we have a character that we can print out. Now we could go back on this and set the stroke back to black to give it just a little bit of a border for you to be able to see the cut, but it isn't really necessary. So now you just simply take this character, print it out on a high quality sheet of photo paper at your printer's highest quality settings, then use your spray adhesive to attach it to your board. You can use MDF, Baltic birch plywood, pine, anything you want to use to add this to your letter, to the wood, and then you can take it to your scroll saw and cut it out. So this is the easiest way to make this happen. You can use any photograph as long as the resolution's high enough and get very good results. I'm Steve Good. Hope this helps. Catch you next time.